So agents, for viewing or even for sale, when you come, appointment is at 3 o'clock, you come 1 hour early at least. Why you need to come 1 hour early? You see this? You're supposed to prep the house, okay? When you come in, right, on the lights, even though yes, outside is still bright, on the lights, on the aircon, open the window, let the air come in, okay? So when people step in the house, the moment they step in the house, you want them to have this kind of cozy feeling, homely feeling. Nobody likes to step in the house, then suddenly feel the air very dense, So you must think of who you are showing to. Whether it's own stay or rent, it doesn't matter, okay? So this is what you can do. Just simple things. Just come in early, open the window. Again, open the window, let the air in, on the aircon, on all the lights. Make sure the whole place is bright. Okay. So another reason is also to check. This kind of things, right? This one not nice. This kind of things help the owner to clean. Never mind. Don't count so much. Just clean, throw in the rubbish. At least you look the house presentable. Okay. So those are the tips. Hopefully it's useful for you. Good luck. This is Kenny here from Property Stories, and I'll see you again next video. Bye bye.